Thank you for tuning in today. We're going to do a little bit of a cooking episode. Today we are going to be making up some pork lettuce wraps. The ingredients that you're going to need today are chopped water chestnuts, green onions, ginger, garlic, lettuce. I like to use Boston leaf lettuce, salt and pepper, sesame seed oil, hoisin sauce, soy sauce, and rice wine vinegar. Alright, let's get these lettuce wraps cooking here. I'm going to start off with a little bit of sesame seed oil. Got that wok extremely hot right now, so it should go pretty quickly. I've got about 2 pounds of marinated pork here. That's marinated in soy sauce and a little bit of sesame seed oil. Now, with the miracle of time, we've got the meat all cooked up here, so let's start getting some of these other ingredients in here. I like to add a little bit of rice wine vinegar. Gives it that tartness and that Asian flavor that you're so synonymous with lettuce wraps. Then we're going to get some hoisin sauce. Sorry guys, I don't measure anything. Kind of go with it as it plays out here. Go ahead and get some soy sauce in there. I get this soy sauce from my local Asian market. Alright, gonna go ahead and add the ginger in now, the garlic, and the water chestnuts. As you can see here, coming together, but I do believe we're going to need some more hoisin sauce. Alright, now I left one ingredient off of the ingredient list, but I like to put this one in there. It's optional, and that is hot sauce of your choice. Oh, if you guys could smell this, delicious. Alright, the last ingredient, some green onions. Go ahead and get them in there. Cut this off, and I will bring you back to when we're serving this up. Alright, now that it has cooled off a little bit here, let's serve this up for you guys. So we got our plate here of Boston leaf lettuce. We're going to put some of that in there. Oh, and by the way guys, I did taste this and it is amazing. If you like P.F. Chang, you are definitely going to like this recipe. And I really suggest you guys go ahead and try making it. It is so easy to make that recipe. Put a little green onion on top for some freshness. And you're done. Thank you for tuning in, guys. We do appreciate it. And we'll see you on our next video.